let's understand about importing the custom visuals in Power BI. So if we go to insert, and inside insert there are multiple, I can say, visuals. However, there is a option of more visuals here, and we can add the visuals. Now Power BI has multiple visuals from the app source, and this can be accessed only if you are logged into the Power BI, meaning either you are using a work account or a, I can say, school account, then it can be accessed. So right now I am clicking from App Store, and when we click on App Source, you can see that a lot of Power BI visuals are showing here, and we can select any kind of visuals, just like comparison, correlation, distribution, filter, flow, infographics, and so on. And these are of highly used because multiple times the visuals which are needed are not in Power BI, so we can use them. Right now I am going to use the sunburst chart by Power BI, and I am just loading it. And this kind of visuals are created by third party which may have paid plans and, I can say, free uses. So we go and add it. So this is getting loaded. Once it will be loaded, a pop-up will be shown that it has been loaded and the import has been successful. Now let's go and add a new page, and we name it as imported visual. And if we go to our visuals here, you can see the imported visual is showing below here, which is our sunburst by Power Viz. Now let's increase its size little bit, and this is showing a little bit tutorial at first. However, we need to add our data points, so we want to add our category and measure. So let's add our category first. We want to show our quantity sold by people who are parents, so I am writing a parent check, and inside the measure I am adding sold quantity sold, and you can see this chart has been created at the moment. Now for the sunburst chart we can add more items as well. So right now this is a parent check. I also want to know that if someone is having the house or not, so I can write as homeowner, and my customer lookup table is having the homeowner details, so I have added that. Now let's do one thing. Let's go and increase the size of these fonts. So I go to settings, and inside the setting option there is an option of labels. Let's increase the size of these labels from 10 to 12 and do an apply, and let's go back to report. Now you can see that an overall data has been created, which is showing that if someone is a parent and if someone is not a parent. So the people who are parent, they are having a total quantity sold of 6.54k, and people who are not a parent, they are having a sold quantity of 1.3k. Now the people who are parent and who are owning a house, so this yes is showing the details. These are the house owner. So 3.27 thousand people are owning the house who are parent out of these data. So these kind of sunburst charts are helpful to determine any subset of an entire data set, and there are multiple visuals inside these more visuals which you can use based upon your requirement. It all depends upon your imagination and how much creative you can be with respect to these I can say visuals. So I hope you understood this, and thank you so much for watching.